How is it going, everybody? You're watching Daniel About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to solve one of the most common tech problems we have at home or in the office, and that is a weak Wi-Fi signal. So today I'm going to show you how to boost, how to extend your Wi-Fi signal, and of course get a much better internet connection. So it's very common that we have an internet router in a central place in our house or in the office, and generally the connection is pretty good when we are nearby. So it's fast, it doesn't drop, it works pretty well. But as we get far away from it, so if you are in your home, for example, and you go to a bedroom or maybe your kitchen, the signal starts to get weak. So then it gets low, sometimes it drops, it just loses the connection. It's extremely annoying. And when that happens, the problem is generally with the range. It's not necessarily your internet connection or your provider, it's just the range. Your Wi-Fi is not getting everywhere that you want. It's not reaching every single place in your house or in your office correctly as it should. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Let's get started. So let's start this video with the start of the show, which is this guy right here. This is a Wi-Fi range extender or a Wi-Fi repeater. And what it basically does is it will connect to your Wi-Fi router and just boost the signal, just amplify the signal. That's what it will do. And what I love about this is just how convenient, practical, and easy to use. And it's actually pretty cheap as well. It starts at around $17. You can get a product like this one or similar, and it can go up to 30 something. It depends on the features it has. And I love the convenience because look at the design. It has an integrated wall adapter. So all you have to do is just plug into the wall socket, so plug into the wall, and then it's gonna be there, flush to the wall, very slim, very slender, and then it's gonna be doing that boosting process. I absolutely love this. Please keep in mind that this is not a sponsored video. I actually went to a store, bought it, and then I bring it here to give you this review. So this is not sponsored. This is actually what I honestly think, right? And I love this product specifically because it has a well-known brand like TP-Link, and it also has 2 channels. So this is pretty good, like 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So this is awesome. And it even has an Ethernet port. So it means that you can actually use a cable to connect this guy to your PlayStation, your Xbox, or smart TV or something like that, and get even better connection to a faraway device. So awesome. Now, without further ado, let me show you this guy in action. How's the setup process, and obviously the before and after. How actually does it change my experience? Let me show you. So as you guys can see, I have a normal setup right here, modem on the right, router on the left here in the office. And I'm gonna run a quick speed test just to check how fast my internet is when I'm close to the router. So I'm getting 51 down and 19 up, all right, as expected. When I go to the kitchen though, where the signal is pretty bad, it gets ridiculous. I'm getting 1.5 down and 0.16 up. That's the worst spot in the house, and that's where I have a shadow. Okay, so let's fix this, and all we have to do is press the WPS button on the router so then it gets ready to receive a new connection, and then pick up our Wi-Fi extender. Plug into the wall and then press the WPS button on it as well, and then let it do its magic automatically. After a few seconds, you're gonna see that we already got 1 connection and then 2 connections, the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. After that, you can place on your desirable location, in my case, next to the kitchen, and we're ready. Let's go ahead and test it out. And as you guys can see, the results are incredible. I'm gonna get 33, as you guys can see, as download speed and 20 as upload. Unbelievable. We're getting even better upload results with the Wi-Fi extender. And that's pretty much it, guys. As you guys can see, it's an incredible technology, pretty cheap, pretty easy to use, extremely convenient, and awesome. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to comment, and stay tuned to Daniel About Tech. See you later, guys.